Hello again. I thought I'd do a quick video this time on a free kick scenario which you might want to consider. This is where the free kick is quite far away from the penalty area. So here you can see the yellow team have got a direct free kick. It could be direct or indirect actually. And it's pretty far away from the goal, so there's no real shot on there. Now, I guess when your kids are sort of 12, 13, 14 years old, they may not be that proficient yet in heading the ball and challenging for the ball in the air, depending on what sort of level team you're coaching. But this maybe is an option that allows you to get the cross in from closer range rather than from where the ball is positioned. So the other team may set up a couple of players here, they may not. The rules of football are if there's 3 players, then it constitutes a wall, and the attacking player has to be 1 yard away from the wall. But if there's only 2, it's not classed as a wall, so they can be a bit closer. I've just put 2 there for this example. And you probably will have most of your players lined up here on the outside of the box, depending on where the offside line is being set by the other team. If the other team setting back close, then obviously your team is going to be as close as they can be whilst staying in an onside position. So what would happen here, I guess, is noticing that the situation maybe would lend itself to this type of movement, where rather than what you'd mostly expect a team is for a kick in the air over here to be a challenge, maybe at the back post or on this side for a header back across goal for a shot on. This scenario is number 5 will just play the ball short. Number 9 will come forward to meet that, which may well draw some of these players out of the wall for a one-touch back to number 5. As soon as that ball is played forward, this number 7 is going to cut out wide. So that ball goes back, which then hopefully will draw these players up, and this ball then is going to come out wide to number 7. Okay. And now there's a couple of options that number 7 has depending on how he's pressed. Number 11 might press, number 9 may already be on him. And there's 2 options that he has. One is to then take the cross from here, which is a little bit closer. There's probably a better angle that you have. Or you could have your number 10 or a similar player sitting in here, ready for a pass to be done into this attacking space behind the defensive line, which then creates the offside line moving forward. Number 10 can run, if they've got some speed, in onto that ball. Again, you've got some players that can then come down as everyone follows, and that is then either a shot on goal or taking it to the byline for a cross on the ground back across goal for a tap into the back post. Anyway, that's an option you could consider for a free kick that is quite far from the goal, when there's some options to then try and move the ball forward through some clever play.